The Harappan site of Indus Valley civilization was excavated by Rai Bahadur Dayaram Sarni. Harappa of Harappan civilization was situated on the banks of river Ravi. Who was the first to use the term Indus civilization? John Marshall. In India, which age does Sohan culture pertains to? Lower Paleolithic age. Which site exhibits the earliest traces of human life in India and evidence of the Stone Age? Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka, located in the Raisan district of Madhya Pradesh. Smallest city in Harappan civilization, Chanhudaro. The latest significant site discovered in the Indus Valley civilization is Morodaro, located near Dholavira in Gujarat, India. The first Tirthankara of Jainism, Rishabhanatha. The total Tirthankaras of Jainism, 24. 23rd Tirthankara, Parshvanatha. 24th and last Tirthankara, Mahavira, Vardhamana Mahavira. The first Jain council was held at Patliputra, presided by Stulabahu. The second Jain council was held at Vallabhi.